do an updated video on that weird metallic-y sound I have with my 2017 Kia Sportage. This is the turbo model. I have a little over 22,000 miles right now, and if you listen closely, you'll still hear it. You can definitely hear it when you're driving, even with the radio on. This is me in park, and I'm just giving it gas. You listen around 2,000 RPMs, the whine will start. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. You can hear the whine. They never fixed it. I've had it like this for over 10,000 miles and can't wait to get rid of this car in a month and get my new Subaru.